We're here today for a ribbon cutting for the Wolftrap Creek Stream Restoration Project. The Wolftrap Creek Stream Restoration Project is a partnership between the town of Vienna and Fairfax County. The stream was pretty severely eroded as a result of anthropogenic changes to the land, basically the land development of the upstream watershed. When streams erode, the sediments go downstream and it chokes out the habitat for the bugs and the fish.
This is a beautiful project, and it really is a demonstration of how much we've learned over the years about taking care of stormwater issues. And the solution has been not just to deal with the water in the stream, but to deal with the whole area. So you're seeing actually a project that raises the bed of the stream and treats it in a natural way so that when there is rain and when there is flooding, there's a more natural treatment of the storm water. It's beautiful.
When streams erode, they basically become these widened gullies and void of any kind of habitat. So what we do is we mimic the natural processes using natural channel design techniques. We create riffles, runs, pools, and glides, all of which are different habitat for fish and bugs. Unfortunately, because the upstream watershed is developed, there is more flow, so we have to do some hardening of the stream. So we use the bluestone rock that you may see over my shoulder. Those structures help to direct the flow and to do it in a stable manner. You'll also see within the stream large woody debris. That's intentional. It's habitat for benthics and fish to hide and will help with a healthy stream restoration. For more information about stormwater management and stream restoration projects, go to the Department of Public Works and Environmental Services website and click on Stormwater Management.